How to replace a stud. Locate the stud that needs to be replaced. Turn the PTO of the tractor on and use the flow control on the front of the surf rake to slowly rotate the conveyor until the damaged stud is at the top of the conveyor. Raise the bucket and insert a bucket safety stop. Use a hammer to remove the damaged stud. Reuse the washer if it has not been damaged, otherwise you will need a new one. Using the flow control again, rotate the conveyor until the stud that needs to be replaced is positioned in line with the opening door on the side of the surf rake. This will allow you to insert the new stud from inside the conveyor. Then, insert the new stud from behind the channel, making sure the washer is in place on the outside of the conveyor. Spray the stud puller and the new stud with oil-based lubricant. Screw the stud puller onto the stud. Using a 5/8 inch socket wrench, tighten the stud to pull it through the channel. Once you feel resistance, check the stud from inside of the belt. The stud base should be flush with the channel. Detach the stud puller from the stud. Apply nickel anti-seize to the stud. Then secure the tine around the stud, place a washer over the tine, and secure the 1/2 inch nut over it. Using your socket wrench, tighten to about 18 to 20 foot-pounds of torque.